Hey guys, what's up? So, really happy we're shooting one of our new podcasts. This is with not so pro player. He's a young guy. He's all of 26. He's been playing poker for a few years. A graduate from IMT Ghaziabad. So, he's done his MBA, achieved an all time high of rank 40 in India, according to Poker Guru. He's a humble player who's very much at the beginning of his career, and in last 3 months has tasted some amazing success, winning or coming in top three of a quite a few amazing tournaments like Mint, Running Hot, the Ballers, and he's saying that he's just running hot. But I think it's time we should find out more about this player. He's all of 26, and I'm just wait for him to join us. It's Abhimanyu Mittal. I'm sure a lot of you guys must have been seeing his name lately in various articles of Poker Guru. So let's welcome Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu, if you can please join in. I'll just wait for Abhimanyu to join in. Hey Abhimanyu, what's up?
Hey Parth, how's it going? Yeah.
अरे I'm good yeah. I'm happy that you managed to give us time on Sunday. Sunday को आप नहीं खेलते क्या?
No, I do play, but yeah, it's all right in the afternoons. I usually start my
Got it,
grind
got it.
on the evening, so yeah.
Correct,
So,
perfect. Got it. Interesting, nice. So do you also like study in the day or something, or like on the Sunday in the day do you study or not really?
no, so it's like I I squeeze out time in between the weekdays usually. So that's how I go about it.
Got it. चलो ठीक है. That's what I introduced right now, saying that you just told me कि हाँ भाई I've just got lucky and I'm just running hot in the last few months. So let's check it out. थोड़ा discussion करते हैं आज उसके ऊपर. Uh,
Sure.
ठीक है. चलो done. So this is one more MBA guy who is now playing poker. I see that you've done your MBA from IMT Ghaziabad, right? So so is it during MBA time that you started playing poker? Did it start back then?
Okay, so yeah, my first touch point with poker was on Facebook, like a lot of
Zinga.
us. So I
Yeah,
started playing on Zynga Poker back in my school days. This was way back in 2010,
got it.
and I was instantly hooked to it. So I played it for about an year or so, and that was that. To be
Got it.
honest, I wasn't even aware of this whole real world online
Online.
poker world.
Right.
So yeah, then I went on to finish my undergrad and then I started pursuing my MBA in 2017. So that's
Okay.
where it all began. So during those 2 years, almost all the major poker platforms in India organized poker tournaments in our college, and surprisingly, I did very well in those.
Ah,
And yeah, so uh, and also coming from a finance background, I already had a knack of numbers, probabilities, and all those of stuff. So, and then we also started playing 200 rupees cash games in our college hostels back in those
correct.
days. So, yes, it all began during my MBA days. So,
Interesting.
primarily during 2018, yeah.
So ऐसा हो रहा था कि लेक्चर्स बंक हो रहे थे एंड पोकर के ऊपर खेलने का ज्यादा हो रहा था ऐसा बिकॉज आई हर्ड समवन एल्स का स्टोरी वेयर दे सेड दैट कि लेक्चर्स कम खेल रहे जा रहे थे एंड काफी लोग मिलके 8 8 घंटा 10 10 घंटा पोकर खेल रहे थे वाज दैट हैपनिंग
हाँ, सेशंस तो काफी लंबे होते थे, बट इट वाज मोस्टली ड्यूरिंग नाइट्स ओनली. सो दिन में अपने लेक्चर्स और ये सब रहते थे. Then evening में we used to start our sessions, and you know
गॉट
all
इट
our friends used to grind. Yeah.
So for my startup, we deal with a lot of students who are planning for MBA and UPSC. तो हम लोग MBA में what is the plus point काफी चीजें बताते हैं. Be it like they say you do MBA for the networking, this that. But I think poker
Right, right.
is going to be a common point for a lot of MBA students. I'm seeing that with a lot of poker players, most of them are MBAs. I remember Bhavya Mittal was from IIM Lucknow, and a lot of top players are coming in from MBA colleges, and of course BITS Pilani as well. So सही है ये सब
Right.
common traits है poker players के. Nice. So interesting. So if I say that 2017-18 से आपने actually poker 200 rupees cash games चालू किया, since how long
Mhm.
is it? that you've been playing online poker now, and why are you playing it? Like, when did you start playing it online? Like, what was the attraction point?
So it's been around 3 years that I'm playing online poker, and initially it was very small stakes cash games and tournaments mainly on Spartan Poker. We already had our IDs and usernames registered on various websites. So that's where I started playing, but it was very small stakes back then. So yeah, it's been 3 years and I've taken it more seriously since the lockdown. So
Got it.
for about an year, I'm playing more seriously, and since boot camp happened, I've gotten more into the game. And like you asked, so the thing that I like most about the game is that it tests your mental strength and decision making in crucial pressure situations. So, and if you're good enough to cope with it, it's very rewarding at the end. So yeah.
Correct. So in like 6, 7 hours of a tournament or 8 hours, every hand is a new decision. So I think that is what the whole challenge is, right? You've got to be alert. Your mindset's got to be strong. कि आप कैसे कैसे एक decision ले सको. Perfect है. So
Right.
अगर आप 3 years से खेल रहे हो online poker, so is it कि starting में it was always like कि हाँ मैं भी बहुत बार bankroll bust किया ये किया. Did you like just do the same things like what we all recreational players start with? Did you do the same
या
things?
डेफिनेटली हाँ 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 कोई ऐसा कुछ एक दिमाग में कोई माइंडसेट प्लान नहीं था आई टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई वाजंट इवन अवेयर ऑफ दिस होल BRM थिंग एंड इट वाज इट वाज लाइक वेरी स्पॉन्टेनियस कि हाँ मन कर रहा है पार्टी कर रहे हैं कुछ है तो हाँ अपना स्टार्ट कर लिया कोई टूर्नामेंट या कोई
हाँ.
देयर वाज नो प्लानिंग नो रूटीन नो शेड्यूल एज सच आई यूज्ड टू प्ले ऑन फोन्स सो हाँ ओवर द टाइम आई रियलाइज्ड कि एक सेट रूटीन होना चाहिए मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ आर कोचेस आल्सो एट बूट कैंप हेल्प अ लॉट in
Yeah, yeah,
uh,
I will cover
making
that
things
for sure.
routine.
तो जब I want to cover the
Right.
initial part because अभी फिलहाल ग्रुप्स पे काफी ऐसे recreational players हैं जो हार रहे हैं, of course bankroll bust करे और बाद में I
Hmm.
think ग्रुप पे गाली दे रहे हैं कि site is rigged or whatever is the problem. So I'm saying that even a player who's now lately winning has been through the same thing, has felt कि यार मेरा बैड लक खराब है कि ये problem है, ये problem है. You also been through that completely. मैंने भी bankroll bust किया, all that happens.
हाँ हाँ डेफिनेटली मतलब वो उस टाइम पे ये समझता नहीं है कि वेरिएंस क्या है और
Yeah.
इक्विटीज क्या है उस टाइम तो कुछ समझता नहीं है उस टाइम तो लगता है अरे साइड रिग्ड है या पता नहीं द लक इज अगेंस्ट मी और समथिंग सो या वी ऑल बीन थ्रू इट एंड
and
आई
no
हैव
hisab
आल्सो
of how much
बस्टेड माय
money.
बैंक
Sorry, yeah, go on, go on.
Yeah, so I've also busted my bankroll quite a few times. It was just that there was no segregation between life roll and bankroll until very recently, and वो ही लगता था कि अरे कोई मतलब but the money I used to deposit, so I was mentally prepared, and the money that I could afford to lose मैं उतना ही deposit करता था तो it was not that it was very tilting कि हाँ भाई कुछ मतलब अपना आउटरेज डालो पब्लिक फोरम पे ऐसा कुछ तो आई थिंक वो एक चीज है जो हम लोग को ध्यान में रखना चाहिए सो वी शुड ओनली ब्रिंग दैट मनी टू द टेबल व्हिच वी आर रेडी टू लूज
Got it. So start of poker career is like crypto. जो आप हार सकते हो बस वही डालो. Don't put more money
एग्जैक्टली
into it.
आई वाज जस्ट गोइंग टू मेंशन अबाउट बिटकॉइन एंड स्टफ
Oh, okay. Nice, interesting. Correct. So I completely agree. It's same thing which even I've been through, and like something which I do as well. If whatever I can afford to lose, I take care of that. ठीक है. Uh, let's now move to so starting to ठीक है. A lot of your MBA friends who used to play with, do they also now play online poker? Do they yet play online poker?
Yeah, they do play, but everybody is in their own separate in their own poker journey, I believe. So some have moved to cash games, and but yeah. So from that lot, I think I'm the only one who is a bit more into gotten more into it and gotten more serious about it.
Got
So
it.
that's about it.
Okay. So how does your family? Okay, no. Before I move to that, you as a player have been running really well lately, correct? I mean, that's the reason why I had reached out. Ki bhai, हाँ, man, like we've spoken 1 year before as well when I had started my community, and that time you were an active part. And yeah, but now lately I've seen your results come out, which have been really well in the last 2, 3 months, I believe. So what has been the reason for that? Like आपने मुझे कॉल पे बोला कि I'm running hot, but what do you associate? What is the reason for that कि आप अच्छा कर रहे हो?
Okay, so see,
If you can break as much as you can break it down, so that if someone is hearing, वो समझ पाए कि आपने क्या right किया है. Because bad, everyone's start has been bad like yours. अभी आपने क्या किया जिससे आप जीत रहे हो? Yeah.
see, even after doing most of the things right, you need some run good definitely. So
Correct.
that is for sure. You need to win those crucial flips in important times
100%.
in later stages of the tournament. So you definitely need to run good. It's just that ki how much volume you put in and how many times you make the correct positive EV decisions at the tables. So yeah, I'm just trying to put in some more volume, trying to minimize mistakes at the
All right.
tables, just being more self-aware about my own game.
Got
And
it.
so yeah, I would attribute a lot of this to my coaches at Poker Boot Camp and a fantastic bunch of campers. So there is a lots of support, positivity, and motivation within the group, which pushes you to do better. And yeah, definitely. So earlier, I used to focus a lot about the uncontrollables, कि variance हो गया, aces crack हो गए, अरे river पे उसने two outer लगा दिया. So I used to fret a lot about those things. But now, I'm trying to move my focus more onto the things that we can control
हाँ जी.
and minimizing the mistakes as much as possible. And I believe so. Like our coaches at a boot camp say, so just trust the process, and the results will eventually come.
So
So
you
that's
think
the
that
thing I think it's
so
working
that
for
is
me.
happening. So okay, so what I realize is एक तो run good आपका you said हाँ वो तो हो ही रहा है. Then you said there is more volume that you're putting in. जो भी अभी देख रहे हैं
Mhm.
उनके लिए putting in lot of volume. So basically at a night if you have today come third and fourth in ballers is what I've seen. So if you came fourth in a big tournament like ballers, you're saying that you're probably playing 6, 7 tournaments that night, and that is because of the volume that you're putting in, you managed to crack that one particular tournament. Is it?
Yeah, so correct. Firstly, multi-tabling is something which is very subjective, and one should load up the tables as per his or her own comfort
Comfortable
level.
level. Yeah,
How
yeah.
so definitely you need to pay some attention to each of those. So I usually play around 4 to 5 tournaments at once. And earlier, what used to happen, I only used to grind on weekends, and I used to completely be away from poker over the weekdays, and I just used to focus on my day job and stuff like that. But I realized कि सिर्फ Saturday Sundays से काम नहीं चलेगा, because when we say like कि हाँ aces versus threes या कोई भी overpair versus underpair, it's 80-20 when we say that. And
Correct.
on that particular day if the opponent hits his set or whatever, if we get unlucky, so we just start cribbing about it. अब लेकिन आपने तो पैसा सही टाइम पे डाला था ना, you were ahead when you put in your money. So उसको बैलेंस करने के लिए you need to put in some more volume ताकि you can benefit the
80.
positive
You
or
can
the
get the
upside
80.
reasons of it.
Yeah, correct.
Right. So for that I realized कि मुझे थोड़ा और volume put in करना पड़ेगा. And then so only recently is that I started grinding on the weekdays also.
Understood, understood. So more volume. Then you said your community and campers at Poker Boot Camp and the coaches are fabulous. That is one more thing that you said. And third, and then, so what about studies? Like, Abhi, I'm moving on to, uh, I think Abhimanyu has kind of, we just dropped Abhimanyu. I think he'll be back in a second. I'm just adding him back. I think Abhimanyu should be back in a minute. Yep, Abhimanyu, if you can, I'm going to add Abhimanyu back to our stream, to the podcast. Hey, Abhimanyu, nice to
Yeah,
have you.
I'm back. I don't know what happened. Yeah,
Not,
I suddenly moved out. It's live.
not a problem. So, yeah, we've got this. Uh, you say that these three things are a part of it. Uh, what about the studying aspect? Like, uske baad we'll move to the role of poker boot camp in your poker journey. But, so what are you studying right now? मतलब पढ़ाई क्या कर रहे हो? Like अभी आपको equities and you said you're good with numbers. So do you every hand पे look at what the equity is and do you look at all those things or is it just that the spots are in your head and आप ऐसे ही खेलते हो अभी कि how does that work? Like how does during play कैसे क्या चलता है?
So yeah, during play you just have to focus on the particular hand that you are in. तो उस टाइम पे मतलब ज्यादा अपने दिमाग में नंबर्स या बहुत सारी अपने दिमाग में अगर हम चीजें डाल लेंगे तो इट वुड गेट वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू टेक
Correct,
decisions. And somewhere in the process you will also lose your instinctive decisions that
correct.
are very important at that moment of time. So during the game, I just focus on the present hand that is dealt. But yeah, before the grind or on the days when I take off, so I consume a lot of content on YouTube. So I watch a lot of videos, and I'm also part of the Hello Poker Advanced course at Bootcamp. So we also get to learn from our coaches Guindi, Shardul, and Tanay. So that's also coming along very nicely. So we study different aspects of the game, and they give us a lot of perspectives. I'll come on to that in a bit also
Sure.
in detail. So yeah, that's that.
Got it, got it. So that's the study aspect. Okay, let's move to this aspect of Poker Bootcamp's role. So you've been at Poker Bootcamp since how long now?
So I joined this community last year during the lockdown only. So I enrolled up for their for the
Okay.
basic Hello Poker course, which is the most fundamental course. So since then, I've been a part of that journey, and only
Got it.
recently uh, I, I intended to level up or मेरे इनका advanced course में I joined in. So,
Got it.
but yeah, it's a great learning curve.
ठीक है. So it's been a year. You joined Hello Poker basic course. Now you're in the advanced course. So 3 साल में से first 2 years you were just recreational player. जब मन हुआ खेले last year से serious हो गए. You joined Poker Bootcamp. How has that changed? Like I see, and if you can tell me about the course also. The first course is a basic course, which is I believe for some 30,000 rupees is what I've read. I'm not very sure about it. And how is the impact of that? Like वो basic course है तो ऐसा नहीं लगता कि अरे यार मुझे तो ये आता होगा यार तो मुझे पता है कि इसका इक्विटी ये है इसका ये है और what does that course exactly what did it do for you like how did it impact like what happened and it's
So
only eight
yeah,
sessions right it's only 8-10 sessions from what I know
yeah, right.
तो how much वो मतलब this is something जो अगर मुझे हो रहा है तो I'm sure सबको हो रहा है कि 8-10 सेशन में क्या इतना हुआ तो if you can please elaborate on that yeah
So, like you mentioned, so for the first 2 years, my decisions at the tables were all over the place. So for me, like if Ace King is a jam, it was a jam at even 20 bigs, 40 bigs, 50 bigs. I did not uh, see the game in terms of blinds, which is very important aspect, and
correct
uh, that's what we were being told in the poker Hello Poker basic course. So there they there they give the fundamentals, how you should approach the game, how you should structure your thoughts. So it develops a right mindset. So that's how it has helped in terms of how I approach the game. So हाँ basics पता थी कि hand rankings क्या होती हैं and those kind of
of
stuffs.
course
Position के बारे में भी you can easily learn from the YouTube. So it's more about the approach and how you should go about conducting yourself on the table, especially in the Indian fields. So उस चीज को लेके मुझे काफी मतलब relatable लगा, and I and more than the coaching aspect, I really wanted to be a part of a community where we could all share, and you know
learn
you
from the
need
community
you need to get along with similar or like-minded people. It's
correct
not very common to come across poker players are in our daily lives or things. So you don't have that connect with you can't have that connect with everyone. So definitely you
correct
need a place or a community where have you have a bunch of friends whom you can talk to, whom you can have knowledge
share your
sharing
hand
sessions
details
and stuff.
correct correct
So yeah, it was not that कि अरे मतलब ये सब तो आता है बेसिक कोर्स में क्या होगा, पर it gives a it it is a very good solid foundation to start with. If someone is very confident of his basic game, I think, and is considering to join boot camp, so they might think they can skip the basic course, but in my opinion, it's very fundamental, and it lays down a solid foundation for your future learning.
Got it. So I really like that point of the community thing, huh? Because so the thing is, I had joined HIG with Alok sir, and what I have seen is, uh, and in fact, a lot of what he himself said in that on a group call was once that कि यार जो भी वैल्यू आप ले रहे हो अगर ये कम्युनिटी ना हो ना तो वो वैल्यू इतना आपको नहीं मिलेगा. So the value of the positive vibes that the community pushes you to get those results is amazing. Like I completely agree, yeah. If you're seeing someone else with a score put on the Discord saying कि today I bagged this much and I did this and I did this and I'm like अरे इससे तो last महीने join किया था ये already ऐसा कर रहा है, he pushes you कि भाई when I want to do it. So 100% the community is a big aspect, definitely. Nice.
Exactly. And when you see people posting their scores and posting their journeys, it is very inspirational. और उस टाइम मतलब पहले ऐसा लगता था कि ये चीज तो इम्पॉसिबल है. मतलब
हाँ.
फ्लैगशिप टूर्नामेंट पहले तो रजिस्टर करने में 2 बार सोचना पड़ता था, साइटी के थ्रू जा रहे हो, बट इवेंचुअली रीचिंग दैट पॉइंट वेयर यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट कि आई कैन मेक द एफटी ऑफ दिस टूर्नामेंट, इट इज अ प्रोसेस. और वो उसके लिए यू नीड टू, लाइक आई सेड, कि आपको सिमिलर माइंडेड पीपल और उनके साथ एसोसिएट करना बहुत जरूरी है. सो इट इट ग्रेटली हेल्प्स. तो वो इम्पॉसिबल चीजें भी वो पॉसिबल हो जाती है एक टाइम के बाद.
Got it. And so about the advanced course right now, how's the advanced course going now? It's how is that?
Yeah, it's just started, so it's more of how to interpret spots by using solvers, and how to analyze board textures. So it has gone a notch level above. So yeah, it's just started. I've been in for few sessions, so it's coming along nicely.
Got it. Nice. So, okay. So this is happening. You're playing well. So, okay. Does this also happen to you? कि जैसा आपने कहा कि आपने bowlers के लिए register किया, maybe you paid the full 7.5 के या फिर आपने ticket के through किया होगा. I have no idea. You must have whatever way. When you're registering for all these flagship tournaments, are there times or has there been a time in the last few months where you've been like, okay, I am not doing anything. I took part in 30 such tournaments where I've put in about say a lakh and a half in the last 1 month, and I'm not making money out of it. So is there like a self-doubt thing? Does that come in ever? यार अब थोड़ा लफड़ा लग रहा है. भले मैंने coaching दिया, but I'm not getting result because maybe it's not working out. So क्या करने का? Does that happen? Do you
हाँ,
self-doubt?
definitely. Yeah.
So do you?
There is times when you have that feeling कि I'm not in that right frame of mind, or you start doubting yourself. I'm not that good enough to even be a part of this tournament, or I don't have the necessary skills or that mental strength to compete with this in this reggae field. So definitely there are times like that, but if you talk about that, usually happens when we are in the downswing, right?
Right.
So it's been weeks and months when you have not got any scores, or got not getting even any decent deep runs or something. So definitely those self doubts creep in. But I think उन चीजों को ना पॉजिटिवली लेना बहुत जरूरी है, और उस टाइम पे भी अपना मेंटल एक बैलेंस्ड और कंपोजर मेंटेन रखना बहुत जरूरी है, बिकॉज वो टाइम्स ही इवेंचुअली डिसाइड करेंगे कि if you go on to that slippery slope and you just keep falling into that that rabbit hole, or you come out of it. So
Got it. Got
until
it.
recently also, I remember, so before my uh, I got a series of results in the past 2 weeks. So couple of weeks before that were horrible for me.
Oh,
I wasn't even able to run deep, or you know uh, I was firing bullets in millionaires and stuff. So yeah, it was a very short downswing, so to say. एक दो हफ्ते का ही था, which people don't even consider downswing as such, but it for me it was material to some extent. बट उस टाइम पे फिर मैंने एक पॉइंट के बाद एक ऐसा फीलिंग आया कि आई शुड क्विट फॉर अ बिट, 1-2 महीने का ब्रेक ले लेना चाहिए. बट देन आई थॉट कि अगर अभी मैंने उस वॉल्यूम पे कैपिटलाइज नहीं किया, अभी मैंने और वॉल्यूम नहीं डाला, तो शायद वो जो अपसाइड वेरिएंस है उसको मैं फॉरगिव कर दूंगा।
Got it.
तो
Got
उस
it.
टाइम पे यू जस्ट गॉट टू फील कि हाँ, आपको डेफिनेटली अब ये भी नहीं है कि अगर आप रैश खेल रहे हो या आप इमोशनली साउंड नहीं हो उस टाइम पे, आप गलत खेल रहे हो, तो उस टाइम पे डेफिनेटली वन शुड स्टॉप। बट इफ यू नो दैट यू आर टेकिंग सम राइट डिसीजंस, यू आर प्लेइंग टू द बेस्ट ऑफ योर एबिलिटी, और उसके बाद भी अगर आप हार रहे हो, तो उस टाइम पे ये सोचना चाहिए कि यू शुड कंटिन्यू इट रादर देन स्टॉपिंग इट, क्योंकि वो पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट्स आर जस्ट अराउंड द कॉर्नर, वो आने ही
Understood.
वाले हैं। सो यू शुड काइंड ऑफ यू नो फील दैट कि हाँ ठीक है, अभी अभी डाउन स्विंग चल रहा है बट वो अप स्विंग आने को है। सो आई शुड जस्ट
Understood.
कीप द गुड थिंग्स दैट आर गोइंग ऑन फॉर मी।
This is like the market कि अभी मार्केट बढ़ने ही वाला है, मैंने उसके पहले पैसा निकाल दिया मार्केट से. It's like,
हाँ हाँ
we
हाँ,
know you're doing the right thing. Correct. Okay, fair enough. ठीक है.
exactly.
So, but still, all of this is in your BRM. You take care of the BRM कि अभी इतना नहीं, मतलब I preach about BRM a lot जब मैं यहाँ interview करता हूँ, but काफी बार अपन खुद follow नहीं करते. Like there's no 100 buy-ins that I have and I still play when I'm with only 50 buy-ins or 60 buy-ins. So does that happen with you also, or do you not do that?
Yeah, definitely, man. I'm just I'm also not playing it full time professionally or something. So
Correct,
वो
correct.
definitely होता है कि एक बैक ऑफ द माइंड में होता ही है कि अरे कोई बात नहीं, शॉट्स ले लेते हैं। एंड यू आई एम गिल्टी ऑफ प्लेइंग आउटसाइड माय बीआरएम अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स, सो that has happened a lot with me. In fact, I'll tell you this funny incident. So I think I had some time off from my job or something, and there was FTS going on, and FTS 1 also I had some decent results. So FTS 2 I was determined कि हाँ अच्छा करना
खेलना है.
है.
हाँ,
And I regged into tournaments like Big Game, which has like 16,500 buy-in and stuff. So which
got
I
it.
was totally not bankrolled for. I I took a rebuy in that, and then I regged into few other tournaments as well. And थोड़े time देखते देखते my bankroll was about to bust on
हाँ,
Spartan. So like I think there was a very similar story I've heard in one of the interviews of Anant Purohit. So मेरे साथ exactly वही हुआ. I had last 5500 or 6000 left in my in on that site bankroll. So उस time भी I thought कि चलो this is my last shot. So I regged into this FTS tournament which had
oh,
5500 buy-in,
and
and
you came
I was
second,
like
did
कि
you?
yeah, right. And it was like कि
Oh,
अगर वो मेरा बस्ट हो जाता तो, और मैं उस पोजीशन में भी नहीं था कि आप डिपॉजिट करो, or it was like, so it would have been a halt for me for a few months if that didn't have worked out at that time. So and luckily I managed to I loaded up only one table at that on that day. I didn't play any other tournament. I was just focused on that कि हाँ अब जो है, this is all or nothing for me. And I finished second,
for
following
for
a
4.2
three-way win,
lakhs.
I believe.
I know, I
Right,
see
right.
it. I have it written here. 4.2 lakhs is what you took home that day.
Yeah, that's my biggest score. And uh, so before that, I think I did not even cross 1 lakh score on that side. So it was really big for me. So,
Wow. यार मैं सबकी स्टोरी सुनते जा रहा हूँ and I'm like यार मेरे साथ ये कब होने वाला है. So yeah, that is something. Yeah, I can imagine. Oh wow.
but you never know when that will happen. So for that, you need to have for for that definitely you need to have bankroll in place, definitely.
नहीं.
And you can divide your bankroll in such a way that you can have a percentage of that. So let's say I can segregate. I have 1 lakh rupees, so I can segregate ki, 20% of this is for me taking shots at some big tournaments. So that is my shot taking portion, and the rest I will divide so that it averages out.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Yeah, fair enough. Agreed. Agreed. Nice.
So
How
more
does
and more importantly, I think you should feel confident कि हाँ आप उस टूर्नामेंट में गुड अच्छा कर सकते हो. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि अ, आप ऐसे लोगों के साथ खेल रहे हो जिनके साथ आप compete ही नहीं कर सकते. Then it's no point making min cash or something.
I agree. Wow. Nice. ठीक है. How does family react to poker? And how does that work? Like how and what is their overall judgment on poker?
So, well, there is a taboo to this game in our society in general. We all know that, and just because cards and money is involved, so usually first thought that people have is अरे
Gambling.
ये तो gambling है. तो
Correct.
for me also it's not very different. I come from a orthodox family, and my family is no different, and I don't blame one bit for it. And like my father is not at all pleased with me playing poker, though I have been able to make my mom understand to a certain extent that isn't gambling. So what I did is so मैंने अपने पेरेंट्स को सक्सेस स्टोरीज दिखाई बाकी प्लेयर्स की कि देखो these guys are doing well, and you know what our parents or our relatives usually hear कि अरे उसने उसने जुए में इतना हार दिया और इतना
Correct.
वो सब नेगेटिव मार्केट में सोसाइटी में इतना नेगेटिविटी इन चीजों को लेके है, पॉजिटिव साइड कोई देखता ही नहीं. एंड कुछ होते भी केसेस है तो वो दे जस्ट चक इट अवे सेइंग कि अरे ये तो एक्सेप्शन है, एक दो का हुआ है बाकी सबका तो कितने का बर्बाद हुआ है
हाँ
एंड
हाँ
स्टफ
हाँ.
लाइक दैट. एंड nobody even talks about stock markets कि stock markets में कितने लोग बर्बाद हुए
I
just because
agree.
that is acceptable. कितने लोग स्टार्टअप्स करके फेल हो जाते हैं. इट्स आल्सो स्टार्टअप, इट्स आल्सो काइंड ऑफ अ
Correct.
बिजनेस, पर थिंग इज कि कार्ड्स एंड मनी इज इन्वॉल्व तो वो गैम्बलिंग के उसमें आ जाता है
Correct.
कि
Correct.
नहीं ये कोई करेक्ट वो है नहीं. सो आई डोंट ब्लेम देम फॉर इट, बट आई ट्राई टू मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड. और मैंने उनको इसकी पॉजिटिव साइड्स दिखाई एंड मैंने उनको ये चीज बताई कि देखो कुछ कंसिस्टेंट प्लेयर्स हैं जो रेगुलर बेसिस पे परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, रेगुलर बेसिस पे रिजल्ट्स ला रहे हैं. तो it can't be just about luck and all gambling. And if you and I believe कि अगर किसी चीज को आप स्टडी करके उस चीज को आप सीख के you can get better at it, तो there is some level of decision making or skill involved or strategy involved.
Got it.
तो मैंने
Got
थोड़ा
it.
उनको समझाने की कोशिश किया है. And then they also saw that कि I'm passionate about it. They saw that कि I'm putting efforts into it. Then some some good results also helped. So
Yeah, I was
हाँ
just
थोड़ा
coming to
like
that. कि results ने help किया कि नहीं? कि when you bagged 4.2 lakh.
definitely you can't convince anyone if you're just losing and you know losing lakhs and lakhs, तो फिर उनको कुछ नहीं समझेगा, तो वो चीज स्टैंड पॉइंट उनका नहीं होगा. एंड हाँ, so some also after good results, then I saved up some money and I could pay a portion of my education loan for MBA. So I helped contributing in that. तो उनको भी देख के थोड़ा लगा कि नोटिस किया कि चलो मतलब सारे पैसे उड़ा नहीं रहा है, कुछ मतलब
Yeah.
कुछ तो ठीक कर रहा है या कुछ तो ये मैनेज कर रहा है अपने फाइनेंसेस. एंड सो नाउ दे आर काइंड ऑफ ओके विद इट, बट दे आर स्टिल एप्रीहेंसिव कि दे हैव नॉट एक्सेप्टेड इट टोटली. सो वो एक है थोड़ा मतलब उनको एक अभी भी ग्रे एरिया है उनके माइंड में, बट आई थिंक विद टाइम ओनली इट विल
Got it.
गेट.
So वो उनको second उनको I think वो अपना end boss type या कोई बड़ा event आपको ship करके देना पड़ेगा. Maybe something after that might help
नहीं नहीं,
you.
फिर भी नहीं मानेंगे, फिर भी नहीं मानेंगे. दे विल बी लाइक कि अच्छा अरे 1 करोड़ जीता है तो 1 करोड़ हार भी तो सकता है. उनको
Correct.
वो
Correct.
फैक्टर
Correct.
वो दिमाग में रहता है कि जीते हो
Got
तो
it.
उससे ज्यादा हार भी सकते हो.
Right. Right. No, fair enough. Okay. Okay. So is that the reason why? So Abhimanyu, you are also on a job, and I believe right now it's KPMG. I'm not very. Is that? Am I
राइट राइट.
correct? Correct. Okay. So you're working with KPMG as well. So is that the reason why you also firstly keep a job so that your family is like, अच्छा भाई काम तो है ही इसका तो पैसे का स्ट्रेस नहीं है ये तो एक्स्ट्रा पैशन है या फिर do you actually are you passionate about your work as well and what is the effect of poker on your job? How does that go?
So obviously, yeah, like I've studied finance in my undergrad and postgrad. So that was that was the first priority for me, and before anything else. So I I I'm I switched a couple of jobs also. So before that, I was working at a bank where I had a sales role, and I was just not at all happy with the things that were going and the role that was I was in. So uh, you won't believe I almost like I did not play even a single poker game for those 6 or 8 months. And this is not very old. This is about 2019. So
Ah,
वो
okay.
मेरे दिमाग में था कि first I have to get my career sorted and you know do what I like to do. I have to be in that field. तब जाके I can you know pursue my passion and whatever things on the side that I want
Correct.
to. So वो मेरे दिमाग में पहले ही था. एंड या वो तो पेरेंट्स का एंड वो सोसाइटी का वो तो होता ही है कि हाँ पढ़ाई करिए एमबीए कराए तो इट्स it's definitely to
जॉब
get a
करेगा,
good job at a
जॉब,
decent company. So वो
श्योर,
एक है. बाकी talking about the effect of poker, I think yeah, it's definitely a challenge maintaining a day job and poker. And so my role is of a consultant in financial due diligence at KPMG. So work gets demanding at some point of time, and I on those days I need to work for long hours, and so that's why I usually grind it on weekends mostly for most of the part. And sometimes what happens कि पूरा दिन का काम खत्म हुआ, then I late reg into tournaments, and after
that is
finishing my
bad
work
idea,
at night,
yeah,
yeah, getting mentally exhausted. But yeah, we can't help things. वो एक अपना वो develop करना पड़ेगा mental toughness. तो that's what I'm trying to cope with right now. And I think poker requires us to invest a great deal of time, energy, and money. And the extent of these obviously depends upon if you're playing cash or MTTs and what stakes. So ideally, you would not want to start a session when we are mentally exhausted
exactly,
and stuff like
exactly.
that. But I think it's at the same time it's difficult to expect results by just playing on Sundays or just on weekends and putting very less volume, especially for MTT players.
Got it. You don't play cash at all, you?
No, sometimes I've tried my hand at it, but I just I could not uh, get into it, so I don't think that's my cup of tea. I enjoy mostly tournaments because the thing with tournaments is they're very dynamic in nature. और ऐसा नहीं है कि वो blind same रहेंगी या players same
Correct.
रहेंगे. Things keep
Everything
changing,
changes.
and
Right, right,
yeah,
right,
yeah,
right.
and the rush at the rush you get
I agree.
on final table and things, so it's
Makes,
completely
I
different.
agree. You think you're addicted at some level to poker? Are you?
No, I think I have controlled my urge to play poker in the past. Like I just told you, I've taken a
Great one.
break from poker for quite a few months. But then again, it's hard to quit it completely when you know that uh, there is certain level of opportunity cost associated with it. So you might miss some value if you don't play at all. So for
Got it.
that, you definitely need to put in some volume. Some may call it addiction also, but I believe you need to grind those hours, or if you're doing as per your schedule, then I think you can take care of that urge. If you are कि हाँ मुझे Tuesday, Friday and Saturday, Sundays को खेलना है, if you distribute your schedule within the week, so I think you that can be taken care of, and that's what I'm trying to achieve right now.
वो अभी आप single हो ना? And that also adds on. That also adds
Yeah.
value. Fair enough. Okay. So your job you mentioned. What do you allot a percentage of your salary to poker bankroll? Does that happen every month or doesn't happen anymore?
It used to happen at the beginning, but since I started getting some scores, I started building some bankroll. तो अभी it's like वो एक मेरा clear distinction हो रखा है कि life role अलग है और poker का bankroll अलग है. So I
Ah,
don't usually, if there is some deposit offer or some their proportional scheme, then I can deposit. But other than that, it's not that कि मेरा वैसा कभी रहा नहीं है कि मतलब हर मंथ का मुझे सैलरी का इतना परसेंटेज उस
अच्छा
पे
ऐसा
इन्वेस्ट
कुछ
करना
नहीं
है.
है, हाँ,
हाँ
हाँ,
मतलब इट
हाँ.
डिपेंड्स कि अगर if I've busted my bankroll, then obviously I have to wait for my salary and then deposit. But so it's not the case right now. So poker bankroll is, it's more like a self-sustaining thing, और वो churn होता रहता है. So I
समझ गया.
usually keep it that way now.
Got it. ठीक है. Last thing is what's the goal now from poker? Do you have a goal कि मुझे लास्ट एक महीना आपने अच्छा खेला, like you said, maybe last 2 weeks आपके ज्यादा अच्छे रहे. उसके पहले तो 2 weeks आपने कहा खराब थे. So what is it? Is there a future goal from poker, or are you just going to be grinding like this on a weekday and weekend for your rest of your life, or do you have a goal कि मुझे, example, a cash player might say, I want to head to 250, 500 tables or blah blah blah. I don't know what they would say. And what a tournament player would say that yeah, maybe WSOP जीतना है. I don't know. So what is your goal? Do you have a goal like that? It's okay if you don't have one either. तो कैसा है आपका?
अभी तो बस यही गोल है कि ट्राइंग टू गेट बेटर एट द गेम और जितना कंसिस्टेंटली परफॉर्म कर पाओ इंडियन फील्ड्स में या अल्टीमेटली गोल फॉर एवरी एमटीटी ग्राइंडर इज टू प्ले WSOP. That's definitely a dream, but as of now, just trying to improve and get better at the game. Like I said, I've joined the Hello Poker Advanced course, and being complacent is not at all an option because the game is evolving, the fields are getting tougher, and if you don't work on your game, you'll get crushed sooner or later. So definitely you have to keep improving. And yeah, I've been guilty of not putting in so much time into studying sometimes, but yeah, trying to balance out things right now.
But give me something monetary. Do you have a monetary goal? If you do, कि यार नहीं मतलब मुझे ये X lakhs of bankroll करना है end of 31st December तक, like because I run a community, so I keep on whenever I'm got time I'm like अच्छा ठीक है, I need to make it reach this many members by 31st December 21. So you know there's a number or absolute number that we like something that we look at. So ऐसा कुछ है आपके mind में कि I understand that you want to be good at it, but is there a number that you look at? Is that also part of your plan?
नॉट अ स्पेसिफिक नंबर, बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि अगर कोई नंबर हम दिमाग में रखेंगे तो इट माइट बी पॉसिबल कि हम अपने आप को लिमिट कर दें. लाइक
Ah,
ऐसा हो सकता था कि मैं जैसे सोच रहा था कि साल भर पहले तक फॉर मी लाइक 10 lakhs, गेटिंग 10 lakh स्कोर इज अ बिग थिंग. एंड उस टाइम पे मुझे लगता था कि हाँ 10 लाख शायद एक साल में भी अगर कैश किया तो भी बड़ी बात है. तो मेरा कोई वो गोल नहीं था. एंड दैट इवेंचुअली हैपेंड लास्ट वीक कि एक महीने में ही आई गॉट सम 8 or 9 lakh स्कोर. तो वैसा मैंने कभी लिमिट नहीं किया था. तो somewhere or the other it helped me to just not set any limits and perform the best to my ability. और वो कोई मतलब स्कोर का मुझे कोई वो नहीं था कि मुझे इतना ही अचीव करना
interesting.
है, ताकि वो एक माइंड में ये नहीं आना चाहिए कि अब मैं कंप्लेसेंट हो गया या सेटिस्फाई हो गया. लाइक टूर्नामेंट में भी मुझे लगता है ये माइंडसेट नहीं होना चाहिए कि हाँ मुझे तो बस 1 लाख स्कोर हिट करना है और मान लो वो फोर्थ या फिफ्थ पोजीशन पे 1 लाख है. फोर्थ फिफ्थ पे आके फिर ये कंप्लेसेंसी नहीं आनी चाहिए कि भाई मुझे तो 1 लाख निकालना था, अब तो मेरा हो गया है इस हफ्ते का कोटा या इस दिन का कोटा, तो अब नाउ आई कैन टेक दैट हाई वेरिएंस स्पॉट. या वो चीज मुझे लगता है वो नहीं
After
होना
the
चाहिए.
rash is done. Correct, correct,
हाँ,
correct.
समटाइम्स आई व्हाट आई डू इज कि जब मैं फाइनल टेबल पे पहुंचता हूँ तो आई जस्ट स्टॉप लुकिंग एट द
Score,
द मनी.
position.
हाँ,
हाँ.
पोजीशन, प्राइस पोजीशंस, एंड आई जस्ट फोकस ऑन माय गेम. और मुझे बस यही फोकस होता है कि जितना मैं मैक्सिमम डीप जा सकता हूँ उतना जाना है. और उसके बाद जो स्कोर आएगा वो तो इट्स अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ योर दिस थिंग, ऑफ योर परफॉर्मेंस.
Got it.
So I don't set
ठीक है.
any particular goal even as in general or in a tournament as such.
Very nice, interesting. Okay. Abhimanyu, I'm going to move to the last section, which is a rapid fire thing. I want to know some very fun things. Okay, so let's run into it. We'll do fast questions. Uh, you have to choose between poker and your job. Which one and why? If there's only one thing that you could do, one thing that you could do for the rest of your life, poker versus your job.
That's really tough, man.
Fast,
I
fast,
wish
and
poker.
why?
I wish poker. Yeah.
अरे सही है क्या बात है. I just hope that KPMG people don't end up seeing this video, but सही है. uh, okay, if you have to be really honest, uh, three reasons, one word or maybe two lines each, one line each for your recent success. What are the three reasons?
So, like I said, being more self about my game, putting in some volume, and being disciplined at taking decisions at the tables.
Got it. Okay, poker motivator who has a massive impact on you. Anyone who you think is your motivation for poker?
So, in the community, I I usually have a chat with time and again with Vivek Karwa, with one of our campers. So he has been a very big influence in my journey, and definitely the coaches at our boot camp, and outside the people that I'm in connect with. I think I look up to Gunjan Mal. So I watched his live stream also, which you did, and
Ah,
I
yeah, yeah.
find his streams also very interesting.
I know everyone's really loved the Gunjan Mall stream. It's got a lot of everyone has told me about this. सही है.
So,
Okay. Uh, Go Indy, Shardul, Tanay. Choose one.
Man, it's like they are a team and they bring so much value to it. So I think it's just not fair just choosing one because they come
Okay.
together to bring a lot of value, and they're all masters of their own set of things. So yeah, it's
Chalo,
just
safe
not
answer
possible to
done.
choose one.
Okay. What if your other half doesn't allow you to play poker?
No, man, I think if if we have that understanding, I would be able to make her understand. So I don't think, yeah, if you're talking about a particular day, then obviously I'll have to give up and accept
He's
what
going to be
she
a
wants me to
good
do.
husband. Sahi hai.
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough. If she says no, then she's anyway not going to be your other half. So sahi hai. Okay. Okay. Your best buy with poker money. Best thing you purchased. I think you already told me कि आपने loan आपका चुकाया है with poker money.
हाँ,
So I
हाँ.
think that is the best thing, but some material thing that you bought with your poker money, be it your iPhone or whatever you want. I don't know, whatever you bought. Best
Yeah,
buy.
so uh, yeah, I got my laptop, my MacBook Pro, which I was intending to buy. So that's one of the good buy, and the best thing would definitely be contributing to pay off some portion of education loan. That would be very satisfying thing.
Understood. Indian poker player you look up to. Maybe not the ones who motivate you. A person you look up to in Indian poker scene.
Yeah, definitely Gunjan Mal.
That is sick one. Okay, favorite website.
Website, Spartan Poker. That's where I usually put my most of the volume and got most of the results.
Interesting. Favorite hand.
Uh, Interestingly, there's no favorite hand as such, but yeah, I would say pocket queens.
The hand you just can't say no to is a pocket queens for you.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
You just can't say no to this hand. कि यार ये खेलना ही पड़ेगा. That's a pocket queens for you.
Haha, definitely. Like, I don't remember if I've ever folded pocket queens pre-flop. Could be
Of course,
once, just once or
rarely.
twice, all throughout. But yeah,
Nice. Okay, if you can give me in amount biggest downswing ever that you faced. Okay, यार, this is the max period in which I've lost so much. That's the biggest ever. उसमें कुछ जीते नहीं हो पड़ा.
in terms of time or money, you're
Money,
asking.
money, money, money. Biggest downswing in terms of amount. So money.
I think it was about around a lakh or so, more than a lakh.
Got it.
Yeah,
So you got
around
it.
1.2 lakhs or something.
So you got things under control after that 1.2 lakh time. So then you got it
Yeah,
back up.
it was the time when I told you na कि वो I had my last 5,500 in my account, so it was that time only. So I lost around a lakh or something.
Oh, I just hope the people watching this don't take it in that manner कि भाई खेलते रहो अपना हो ही जाएगा. Like a lot of recreational players will probably be in the same zone. ठीक है यार. Uh, Thanks, Abhimanyu. If you have to tell me last before we go, some nice tips for people who are right now in a 2017, 18, 19 version of Abhimanyu, जो अभी मस्ती में खेल रहे हैं,
Uh,
क्या करना है? Is it just join a coaching, be disciplined, self-aware? Is it that, or what is else that you would say that कर सकते हैं, नहीं कर सकते? How do they do it?
so yeah, firstly, I think it definitely comes down ki how badly you want to uh, get
Win.
successful in poker. If it's just a side hobby or it's just a fun activity for you, then you can just take it light and just play some small stakes. Don't play the stakes which you're not comfortable with, or uh, what tilt usually happens when you're playing outside your bankroll. So
Correct.
like I said, just put in the money that you can afford to lose. And if you come into the bracket who are serious about the game, and who if you really want to get better at it, definitely you can consider joining a coaching or a stable, if you're very serious about it. And yeah, just be disciplined, consume some content, and devote some time to studies, and then play, and you will be in a better position to, at least you will be in control of your game, and you will get to know if you are doing things right or not. Even पहले मेरे साथ क्या होता था, एंड आई एम श्योर काफी सारी शुरुआत के जिनकी जर्नी है प्लेयर्स के साथ, वो होता है कि उनको पता ही नहीं होता कि वो गलत कर रहे हैं या नहीं कर रहे। तो फर्स्ट
Got
स्टेप
it.
इज कि आपको पता लगे कि आप क्या गलत कर रहे हो या क्या सही तरीका है उसका करने का। तो वो एक पहले तो एक्सेप्टेंस आनी जरूरी है, rather than burning your bankroll and stuff and going into the rabbit hole. And I see people after busting their bankroll, they ask for they ask for money from their peers or from a large group of friends. I think that is definitely not an option. So you should be self-sufficient in that way, and you should have a plan ki acha, if that doesn't work out, what else am I going to be, what
Right.
else am I uh, going to do in the next few months. और ऐसा नहीं है कि उसको रिकवर करने के लिए you just uh, keep digging a hole for you. And yeah, man, just I would just say ki some put in some efforts into getting to know your game, and how the field that you play in is the tendency of them कि वो कैसा खेलते हैं, उस लेवल का आप स्टडी करो. लाइक द लेवल ऑफ स्टडी also varies, right? Depending on
Correct.
the stakes you play. So just need to get your basics right, put in some volume, and yeah, results would definitely come, I believe.
Interesting. सही है. Okay, Abhimanyu, I hope you had fun. You were also, you were like thinking about doing this, and I'm really happy that you did. It's nice to cover the story, see relatable factors in terms of family, in terms of job के साथ साथ जो भी लोग पोकर खेलना चाह रहे हैं उनको क्या करना है. A lot of these common points which are going to be there applicable for a lot of people out here. So I hope it creates impact. I hope you had value as well. Thank you so much for doing this, and I'll let you know when I've got last 5,500 left in my account. Hopefully, hopefully it'll work out for me as well. Thank you, man.
Hope that
Thank you so
hope
much.
that course comes before that. You don't need to reach to that level of last
सही है,
your bullet. Thanks for having
सही
me.
है.
Yeah, it was fun.
Thanks a lot, man. Thank you so much. Thanks, Abhimanyu. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Cheers.